From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Tuesday and good evening. I'm student meteorologist Christian Spallone here with a look at your CNET forecast. It was a little bit of an unsettled start to your Tuesday today, but generally as the day went on, we saw improving weather. As you take a look behind me right now, we see sunny skies finally peeking out over central Pennsylvania, over Penn State today. So finally some nicer weather taking store in that unsettled and those rain showers beginning to work out of the area. Temperatures also rising, 63 right now. We have a wind around 11 miles per hour, so it's a little bit breezy, but generally a great afternoon out there for outdoor activities. Our weather headlines for this week, again, a few showers today, but those are moving out, and we're expecting dry and warm conditions for the rest of this week, and it's really going to be a beautiful week out there. We're talking about a potential cool down. It's going to be warm this weekend, but when exactly will this cool down hit? Potentially by the middle of next week, we'll finally start to feel some of that fall chill. So keeping an eye on that, and we're going to time that out for you today. Our temperatures across the local area right now stuck in generally the low 60s to upper 50s across the area. And as we zoom out, we see some of those warmer conditions as we head down to the south and east. 68 in Harrisburg and 68 in Philadelphia. Those are our warm spots right now, a little bit above average in those areas. And that's going to be the theme as we work throughout the rest of this week and into the weekend, is that warm weather. Our current radar and satellite across the area, generally just a lot of clouds, all these white little bubbles here, and then also rain showers, some working through central Pennsylvania right now, but some heavier precipitation also up in northeastern Pennsylvania by Scranton, but this is beginning to whisk out of the area, and we can see evidence of that as we zoom out here on our radar, and we see all these clear conditions behind our unsettled weather. That's going to be the high pressure that's working into the area for the end of this week and bringing us much nicer conditions throughout that period here. And we can time that out for you on our future weather now. We see as we get into tonight, all those showers disappear and we're left with beautiful conditions, some patchy fog around tomorrow morning. Make sure to keep an eye out for that if you're traveling tomorrow morning. But generally tomorrow should be another dry day and another great day out there. If you have anything planned, just a few clouds expected to pop up late, but generally Wednesday and into Thursday and Friday should be a great day for any plans outside. And we can see that on our broader view of our future weather here. We see as we get into Friday, still nice out there, and we can see our high pressure centered here off the northeastern seaboard. That's what's bringing us these great conditions, but we do see something lurking on the side of our camera here. Is this long line of precipitation. That's our next frontal boundary. When this finally sweeps through the area, that's going to be bringing us some of our cooler conditions more associated with November here, and finally whisking away those warmer conditions that we're going to be enjoying throughout the rest of this week. And we can see that on our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook here. We can see evidence of those warmer temperatures being predicted over at least the next week across our region. So high probability of those, and we're definitely going to be experiencing those throughout this next week or so here. But right now, our current conditions expected for tonight in State College, 45 degrees as our low. Remember some of that patchy fog and a little bit windy out there. But as we move into tomorrow, just a beautiful day setting up. Plentiful sunshine, a high of 66 degrees. And now for our 7-day forecast for State College, really just a great forecast setting up for this time of year, in the upper 60s through the end of the week, and even hitting 70 as we head into this weekend. That's at least 10 to 15 degrees above average in spots. Some showers possible starting on Sunday. Remember to set your clocks back on that day. And some showers continuing into Monday. And then as we head all the way into Tuesday, starting to cool off a little bit, but generally still really nice for this time of year with a high of 65. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Christian Spallone. Have a wonderful evening.